How you guys doing? Happy holidays from our family to yours. I want to leave you with 3 maintenance prevention tips that's going to help save you money during this holiday season.
Oh yeah, whoa, look, they can never keep me down, I'm going, and if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up.
We have a cold front coming up on us here for November, or not November, but Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, all right, below freezing temperatures. And if you have an investment property or if you're gonna be traveling over the holidays, meaning you're not gonna be at home, or if you have a second home and it's gonna be vacant during this holiday season, here in the state of Florida, all right, we have Arctic-like temperatures that we're gonna be experiencing, below freezing temperatures, and you wanna take these tips into consideration. The first one is investing in a Nest thermostat. All right, the Nest thermostat is gonna allow you to be able to control your home's temperature from the mobile application. All right, so yes, it's a small investment. Have an AC contractor to come out and install it, connect it to your Wi-Fi. All right, you can control your home's temperature right there from your mobile application if you're not gonna be home. The second tip is gonna be making sure you leave a faucet dripping during this holiday season, okay? You don't have to leave the faucet running enough to run your water bill up, but leave it dripping enough to therefore the water stays running. This prevents your pipes from freezing over, and then you have busted pipes in your foundation, on your walls, and it's gonna cause a whole lot of damage after you return home from your vacation, okay? So we wanna prevent all that. And tip number 3, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss no other good tips that I'm living out. I don't have any more tips, but for real, subscribe to my YouTube channel for all of your investment needs, your real estate needs, all right, investment strategies, home maintenance tips, all right, and growing your business advice and tips and strategies, all right? Automated banking coming out here shortly, so stay tuned for that as well. But make sure you leave a comment below, follow, and share this video for anybody else who may have a home that they're gonna have vacant over this holiday season. Make sure you share this video with them so they can apply some of these maintenance prevention tips to their home. Happy holidays from our family to yours. 6 years.